Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will talk about photo retouching. I had a photo session in my studio with my friend, and after our photo session she asked me to retouch her abs. Usually I'm always applying some kind of post-production to my images, but before I will start working on something complex like this, and name as this retouching as a heavy retouching, I always ask my clients or friend, are you sure, do you want me to retouch this or that? I never retouch anything like this before my client or my friend will ask me to do so. So guys, be very careful with this type of retouching. Always ask your clients or friend. And if your friends or clients will not ask you to retouch anything like that, don't touch it. So guys, let's start. I have opened my image we will be working on today, and I will duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after, and I will rename this layer to layer number 1, just like that. First of all, I will zoom in my document for better preview. Now, I will switch to very powerful patch tool. I love the patch tool. This tool is very powerful and very easy to work with. In the options bar, I will specify patch to normal, source, and diffusion value. I will specify to 7. You can specify diffusion value from 1 or 7. From 1 to 7, I'm sorry. Diffusion helps to blend a source and destinations together. So guys, it's up to you. Now, first of all, I will select this area. You can start with any area you like. I will select it, and I will move my selection to the area next to it. Why to the area next to it? Because if I will move my selection to the area away from this selection, I probably will have a different light, a different texture. And you always should keep in mind a light and texture and everything like this. So as you can see, I had not too bad result. And applying same steps, I will continue working on my image. That just like this. I will select it and I will move it next to it, just like this. And I don't care about some specific areas right now. Example, this area, I will fix it just in a second. For now, I'm trying to fix my starting point just like that, and I will move it to the area next to it. And now guys, I have duplication. I have same exact line here and here. So to fix this, I will select this area and I will move it next to it, just like this. So I will continue applying same steps to my image, just like this. Small areas, guys, small. Don't try to fix everything in one step, will never work. Just like this, and to the area next to it, because I need to keep in mind all texture and all light, just like this. And next to it, look at this. Let me show to you before and after so far. Guys, if you're not happy with current result, just continue working on your a project, because you cannot fix everything in a few steps if we are talking about this complex retouching. So guys, be patient and take your time, just like this. And again guys, never retouch anything like this without asking your clients or your friend, or if they ask you, so go and apply this kind of post-production, but never without their permission. So now let's talk about this area. Let me zoom in. This area above her shorts, I will use same spot healing brush tool. Patch tool. I will select this area, very tight selection, and I will move this selection to the area next to it, just like this. And I will try to align everything in perfect way, because if I will align not correctly, look what effect we will have. So try to align everything correctly, just like this. And I will select this area and I will move it above. I will continue applying same steps, just like this. And again, I'm not happy with my result. I will continue working on it. Just in a second, I will switch to another tool and we will fix everything. Just stay with me. Just like this. And like that. See guys, if I will select a bigger area, I will have problems to align everything. So I will undo it, I will deselect it, and I will select smaller part, just like that, and I will move it, just like this. Be very patient, guys. And again, don't try to fix everything in one click or in one step. Will never work. Just like this. Now, guys, I will switch to another tool, another very powerful tool. I will switch to patch tool. I love the patch tool. I'm using the patch tool. I will switch to the spot healing brush tool. I love this tool as well. I love this tool equally to the patch tool. In the options bar, I will specify mode to normal, type to content aware. And using this tool, I will simply paint away area I would like to fix. Guys, look at this. Example, here I have a dark spot. I would like to remove it. So I will simply click on this spot and I will paint it out. By the way, guys, if you would like to learn more about this amazing spot healing brush tool, just let me know and I will record specific tutorial for you. So using same tool, the spot healing brush tool, I will fix all non-perfect area in my image, just like this. Guys, look how easy is it, and voila. Look guys, just paint over areas you would like to retouch, you would like to improve, just like that. Perfect. And I will move these white spots out of her shorts. And also I remember she has this area she asked me to remove as well, and voila. Let me show to you before and after. Before and after. I noticed that I have this white area is here. It's more light than I would like to have. So I will switch to my patch tool. I will select this area and I will move it next to it, just like this. And voila. Now we are talking, guys. Look at this. Same with this area. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I know she will be happy, just like this. Guys, I'm happy with this image, but when I'm zooming out, I see some not perfect area I would like to improve. So I will switch to my spot healing brush tool. I will increase size of my brush and I will paint out some not perfect areas. Basically, I'm fixing light and dark areas. I have some light spots next over my dark areas, so shadows area. So I would like to blend everything together, because photo retouching in Photoshop means be as natural as it possible. Retouching doesn't mean you need to scream, "Oh, I retouched this image." The best retouching example is no one can see, no one can tell that you retouched this image, and this is very important. So just like this, and I'm happy, guys, I'm happy. Let's talk about her legs. I will switch back to my patch tool. I will select this area and I will move my selection to the area next to it, just like this. And voila! I will not touch anything else because today we are talking about only about abs retouching. I'm happy. Let me show before and after. Before and after. I noticed that I have this white area in here, a lighter area than I wanted. So I will switch back to my patch tool. I will select this area and I will move it next to it, just like this. And now I'm happy. The last step. Guys, I will duplicate my current layer. I will rename this layer to the final, just like that. I will go and launch camera raw filter, very powerful filter, and I will switch to detail workspace. Here, guys, I will move all sliders in a noise reduction area to the right, just like this, guys. And again, slightly, don't try overdo, just like this. And I will click OK. And now let me show to you before and after. So guys, again, before I will say goodbye, be very careful with this type of retouching. Always, if you want something, if you want to retouch something like this, always ask your clients or your friends before you will do it, unless your clients or your friend asked you to do this. So guys, be very careful with this type of retouching. And this is what I wanted to share with you today. Super appreciated your time. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for supporting me. And if you have any questions, just ask. I'm here for you. Thank you, guys. And I will see you later. Bye.